Hey, what's up everybody? Mike here, and we're getting ready to replace this crankcase vent valve on this Porsche here. So what we need is a T30. Now this only has one of the 3 screws on it. So we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. Normally there would be 3 screws that hold this cover onto the ignition coils, but not here. So we'll pull this off. So this is the piece we're replacing. So we're going to pull that hose and this hose back here off. And in order to keep this from breaking, we're going to go ahead and take this one loose from both ends. So now all we got to do is unbolt that. So this is our tool. 4 screws, I do believe. And we're going to go ahead and unplug that middle ignition coil. And then pull this off. Now we have our new one here. This is a Viaco brand, which is a good solid brand. At least for European stuff. So it seems that someone has tried before to like reseal this and was not very successful. So we're going to go ahead and drop this one back in place. Put that back on, plug this back in, hook that up, and hook that up. Now, the next thing we do is just go ahead and fire up the car and make sure it's all good. And if it is, then we'll go ahead and put the cover back on. But I'm pretty confident that it's going to be fine. So I'm going to put this cover back on and put this singular screw that we have back in. And that's kind of it. So that's all it takes to do the crankcase vent on one of these cars.